Alright, so today we will be learning how we have integrated Cognidom's AI calling agent with Zoho CRM and how inbound outbound calls are being logged inside CRM, and after each call how we are gathering all the data and lead score and all the customer information inside the CRM. So let's dive in. Alright, so this is the dashboard of your solution, and here you can see we have already created outbound agent and inbound agent. The outbound agent is used to make outbound calls, and for any incoming call this agent will be active. So let's make a call. Here we are going to make an outbound call, and then we will see how it will be processed inside the CRM. So this is the number that is being used to make call in United States, and here I am putting my number. Let's make a call. So you will see my phone will be ringing in about. So I have got this call, and now let's have a conversation. Yeah, I'm looking for hearing an appointment. Can you book an appointment for tomorrow? My name is Amit. And the code is 20130. The one I am calling you from. Tomorrow 3 p.m. Perfect, perfect. Thank you very much. Send me the information on WhatsApp. Alright, that's great, thank you very much. Alright, so we had this call, and now if we see in the log, so this call takes about 30 seconds to process all the conversation that has happened. Inside the log, we see a call was made to this number, and within 30 seconds this log will be processed, and then we will be able to see the score and everything. We'll be able to analyze it. But meanwhile, the data has been processed and it has been sent to our CRM. Since Zoho is connected, we'll see here in the payload log, you will see the payload has been sent to Zoho. So right now it is 5:11 and the data has been sent to Zoho. Let's see how the data is being sent to Zoho. Before that, we can see this is the call that was done and it has been processed. The quality of the call was good. The lead score is 75, and you see the name has been taken correctly. The details are here. Here is the recording and everything. Now we will see if it has been pushed to Zoho CRM or not. Alright, so after the call, as we can see here, the call data has arrived inside Zoho Flow where we have integrated it, and here we have got all the data inside Flow. All the information is here. From Zoho Flow, all the data is being pushed inside CRM. Inside CRM, you can see in the calls, this call was made, like this is my number, this was an outbound call. If we click here, it will show all the data of this call, when this call was made and everything. This is the note that is on the call. Even if we see this lead, the lead has been created. In this lead, if we see here, it will show us in the note what has happened. So it was an outbound call, the duration of the call, the lead score, the customer's intent, the goal alignment, and summary of this call. Everything is here inside the CRM. Also, if we want, we can make an outbound call. Let's click here. Call has been initiated successfully, so I should be receiving a call on my phone number anytime. Yeah, I got it here. And again, let's have another conversation. Hey Victor, how are you? Yeah. Alright, so this has happened, and then we will see another update will be made. If we see in the call log, this was the another call that has been made from CRM, and here you see the another call has been made to the same person, and if I open my record, it will show me like two activities. So this was a call that I made, an incoming call. This was initiated from Cognidom, and this is the third call. So these are all the calls are being logged here, and all the information is being updated here. That's it.